Good morning, friends. Today I have a simple but creative paint project for you to do at home. You're only going to need a couple materials today, so let's get started. The first ones you're going to need is all of your rainbow colors. As you can see, I have put all of mine on a plate. That way it'll be easier for me to work with them because we are going to be working with aluminum foil balls today. So make sure you have 1, 2, 3, as many as these as you want to make with you. You're going to need all of your rainbow colored paint, and you're going to need a piece of paper to do your painting on. The idea for today, since we are focusing on rainbows, is we are going to be using our aluminum foil ball to create a splatter effect using our rainbow colors. When you do this project, you only need to dip your ball into one color at a time. So we are going to start with red, which is the first color of the rainbow. Now once you have your aluminum ball ready, you are going to tap it in the paint, just like so, until you have some on the ball. Then you are going to tap on your paper. And you're going to do this all over the paper till it has little splatter pieces on it with paint. You can get more paint if you need to. And you're not going to smash the ball into the paper, you're just going to lightly tap all around the paper until it is filled with red splatter. Next, you are going to use orange, which is the next color in the rainbow. So I'm going to dip it in my orange till I have lots of orange paint on there, and I'm going to repeat the process of tapping on my paper using the orange. Now as you can see, I've used the same aluminum foil ball for 2 colors. I think I should be able to do this with 2 or 3 colors before I need to make a new ball. Now I only have one ball pre-made so that I can show you how to create your second aluminum ball if you need some help because the first one didn't turn out super good. Okay, now I have my red and orange splatter all over. Now I can flip my ball around. As you can see, I still have some space to use, so I'm going to use it one more time for my yellow color. Load it up with yellow and tap, tap, tap all over the paper. Now it's okay if your colors mix together. That is perfectly fine for this type of project. You want to see all those colors not swirled and mixed together, but tapped together, which is known as splatter paint. Now this is the safe and easy way to do it inside. Maybe one day I'll get to go outside and show you guys how to actually splatter paint, which is a project that we usually do during our summer camp. Okay, so now I have my red, yellow, and orange nicely splattered all over the paper. Now I have my aluminum foil, and to show you how to make an aluminum ball, pull a square sheet out of the foil. Next, you're going to crumple the paper all together, but not super tight. Just enough to give it a ball shape. And that's it. Super simple. The next color of the rainbow we have so far done red, orange, and yellow. So what is the next one? It's green. So the next color I'm going to do using my ball is green. Now I have green on my aluminum foil, and I'm going to tap, tap, tap all over the paper again. Now since the green is a darker color, I don't need to overdo it with the green because I still have my blue and my purple to do. So I want to scatter the green a little bit more than I did the red, orange, and the yellow, which are our lighter colors. Okay, so now I'm not going to do as much. Now I have my green all over my red, orange, and yellow. So what is next after green? Blue. So blue is going to go on the next side of my foil ball here. Blue. And this I'm just going to tap in certain areas on my paper. Blue is probably the darkest color I am going to be using today, so I don't want to make that one super heavy. Just like the green, I kind of want to just tap it in certain places, not all over the paper. So now I have my blue. And the last color that we need is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, or violet, as some of you like to tell me. Again, using the same ball, I'm going to dip it in my purple. Mine is very light, so I can use this a little bit more prominently than if I had a dark purple. But I want to be very careful that I'm not overdoing it and covering up all of the work that I just created. I'm going to find some empty white spots and cover those with the purple. Few more spots. A little heavier in this corner. And to show you what it looks like, presto! Our painting is all finished and you have a nice, very cool abstract splatter painting using rainbow colors. Thank you guys for watching today. As you can see, my fingers have gotten messy. Make sure you're always washing your hands at home, especially before and after you do an art project. I'm going to go wash my hands. So I look forward to working with you guys again tomorrow. Be safe, have fun, get outside in the sun today, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye, guys.